Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a bar plot on a Python visual in the Power BI desktop. So let's start. So I've got this Power BI file open here with me, and we learned how to set up Python scripting in Power BI in the previous video. So if you don't know how to do that, please look at the first video in the playlist, and I'll also leave a link to that video in the video notes, so in case you want to go and explore, you can. So I've got this data frame, I've got this data set here with me. All I've got is English. So I've got sales amount by country, region, name. And what I'm going to do now, so it shows me the sales by different countries. So I'll just do a Control C and Control V, and I'll just move this aside and I'll convert it to a Python visual. So you can see down that it gives us the option to code. So what is available to this data set is, so what is available to this visual is this sales amount and this as the data set. So what we need to do is to plot a bar plot, we need to import the library, which is import matplotlib. So we'll do that, import matplotlib dot pyplot plt, and I'll hit enter, and now I'll just say dataset.plot, and the dataset you can see is it's already created, so it's taking the fields which have become available. So if I add another field, that will also become available in the dataset. So at the moment, dataset contains these values: sales amount and English country, region, name. So all I'll do is I'll say dataset.plot, and I'll say kind is equal to bar. And I'll just say for x-axis I will set up English country and region name. So we'll just select that, we'll just put it in single quotes, and for y-axis we will say is equal to sales amount. And I think that's about it, and then we will just go in, and then just to plot it, we'll say plot.show. So that's it. We've got this Python visual now, and we've set it up to show a bar plot. And now if I click on this run script icon, it will create a, so I'll just maximize this, and you can see it is showing me the sales by country. So United States tops the list, then Australia, and United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Canada. And if you go and look at the data set, that's pretty much what we've got on here. So in this video, we've learned how to create a bar plot in a Python visual in the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topic. Cheers, bye.